Hey, it's Erin. Let's talk about one of my favorite types of exercises that you don't see done a lot and can be hard to get into because I think they're inherently intimidating. What are these mysterious exercises? They're plyometrics. And I want to go through the benefits of them and how to incorporate them into your training in such a way where they're less intimidating, they're more doable, and you're going to reap the benefits from them. Now, when it comes to plyos, there is a distinct difference between plyometrics and jumps for conditioning. So if you are doing a ton of jumping around and you're going for 20 or 30 minutes, or you're doing more than, let's say, 10 reps of something, then this is more just jumping around and not plyometrics. Plyometrics, by definition, is fast. So you want to give it maximum effort when you can. Now, when you're just starting out, once you really just focus on the form and doing the movement smaller, and then increasing as you gain your strength and your performance level. Plyometrics have a ton of benefits. So we're looking at bone and joint stability. It can improve bone density as well. So if you haven't been as active and you're looking for a way to improve bone density, lifting weights and plyometrics is your go-to. As we get older, we typically will lose our fast twitch muscle fibers. These are the muscle fibers that are responsible for explosiveness. They're also the muscle fibers that are typically larger, more bubbly, and lend that athletic look. Losing fast twitch muscle fibers can lead to a really big decrease in performance and overall decreased quality of life. You just don't have that zip anymore. Now, you're looking at muscle strength as well. Plyometrics are a great way to improve muscle strength and improve performance. So if you're looking to not only gain muscle, but get better at a lot of things, then plyometrics are going to be a great addition to your routine. Also, coordination, reflexes, proprioception, which is body awareness. These are all greatly improved with the addition of plyometrics. So if you happen to trip or fall, or not fall, you're not going to fall with plyometrics. You're going to trip and catch yourself because your coordination, your reflexes are going to be a lot faster. Now, when it comes to introducing plyometrics into your current routine, baby steps. So you are going to start small and do a low number of reps. You're going to warm up nice and well, make sure the blood is pumping, make sure you've got that heart rate going, and you're just going to ease into it. And I'm going to show you 4 exercises. You can do all 4 exercises and maybe just do 1 round of each. You might do 1 round of 5 to 10 reps per at the beginning of your workout, and then go on with your weightlifting afterwards. One thing that I always noticed from adding plyometrics into my routine is that when I would do plyos and then I would go lift, I would actually be much stronger after doing the plyos. Just something to think about. All right, so without further ado, let's go through some of these plyometric exercises. Our first exercise is a speed squat. Now, this one is easily scalable. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with your feet about shoulder width apart. You can have your hands up right around your ears or at your sides, whatever is comfortable. And I want you to think about squatting. You can go through the motion nice and slow, and you want to keep your feet flat here and keep all of that kinetic energy within your body. So you're going to almost try to prevent yourself from jumping and let the energy flow through you. And as you become more proficient with it, you're just going to speed it up as you go. The easy version is just kind of a faster version of a body weight squat, but you want to feel that kinetic energy. You want to feel almost like your body is elastic. And then the advanced version is much quicker, but the idea is the same, is that you want to explode up from the ground and you want to drive up through the hips, but control it and then come back down to that squat as quickly as you possibly can. Next exercise is the star jump. Now, when you're a beginner doing this exercise, you're going to start with your feet about shoulder width apart, and you're going to squat down about a quarter or a half squat with your arms extended downward. Then you're going to jump up, and as you jump up, I want you to think about bringing your feet out and bringing your arms out to almost form the shape of a star. So you're going to try to minimize this movement as a beginner. I want you to just get the feel of exploding off of the ground and kicking your feet out, bringing your arms out simultaneously. Get the feel of that, get the coordination behind that. And as you get stronger week after week, I want you to think about adding a little bit more height, and you can add reps up to 10 reps. And you can also add sets. Once you get to one set of 10, then what you might do is you might break it down into 2 sets of 5, for example, and then move up from there. So it is progression based, just like anything else. Next, we're moving on to the tuck jump. Now, the tuck jump is similar to the star jump, but what you're going to do is you're going to start in that half squat position with your feet about shoulder width apart. The weight of your body should be through the balls of the feet. And this is on all of your plyometric exercises. And as you get stronger, you're going to amplify that movement. So the advanced movement is going to be very similar. You're going to push your weight through the ball of the foot, get into your half squat position, and explode upwards, tucking the knees, simultaneously scooping the arms. And with the plyometrics, arm contribution can provide up to 30% of the jump force. So don't neglect the arms and legs working together, muscles that fire together. They will look nice aesthetically as well. So you get that benefit of having that really nice athletic look as you work on that total body coordination. Stopping at that mid-rep point with your hands in front of your body, right in front of your knees. And then you're going to land, regroup, and repeat. Now, our last exercise is the speed skater. And the speed skater is a lateral movement. And this is not something that we get too much in our training. So a lot of times in daily life, we're walking in a straight line. In training, we do things on a singular plane. So it can be really hard to train that lateral movement. And the speed skater is a way to get more lateral movement. This is going to really strengthen your joints. And what I want you to do is start very small with this exercise. So you're going to think about standing with feet shoulder width apart, weight through the ball of the foot, and you are just going to hop gently onto one foot. And as you hop gently onto one foot, you're going to swing your arms over to the side of the body that you're jumping towards. So if you're jumping to your right side, you're going to swing your arms to the right side. And then with quick feet, almost think about the floor being lava, you're going to hop over to the other side and repeat on the other side, using your arms to help you. So the advanced version, you're going to take a larger leap to one side and you're going to load that leg just a little bit more, simultaneously bringing your arms across to the same side. And then you're going to take that loaded leg and you're going to leap across the other side. So we're trying to get a little bit of height, but we're really trying to get that distance, that lateral distance as you go side to side. Now, again, plyometrics are excellent and should be incorporated 1 to 2 times per week. Keep it short and sweet. You can go through one round. You can even start with just one exercise. If I was to pick one exercise to start with, I would just do speed squats because I think they're an excellent way to warm up the entire body, to really get you thinking about moving more quickly. And this is really the key to firing up those fast twitch muscles and getting on your way to either building fast twitch muscles or maintaining the ones that you already have. So let me know what you think in the comments. Do you love plyometrics? Do you incorporate them? Would you like to see more on this topic? Or would you like to see something else? If you do, let me know. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I love you. I'm so proud of you. Keep on training hard. Thanks.